morning. I was really hungry and I'm having my breakfast now. I'm having dosa, and after this I'm gonna give Lara a bath. Okay guys, so I just finished giving Lara a bath and I've dried her now. She's a good girl. She was very good today. I think she knew that the camera was on or something. Now I'm tired and I'm all wet. I will go take a shower myself in like 10-15 minutes because I'm tired honestly, and then I'll see you. Then I'll take you to my studio. Why not? Okay? Hi guys, I know मैंने बोला कि मैं नहाने जा रही हूँ, but आज बहुत lazy Sunday है. तो right now I'm having chai with mummy and Lara. And normally मैं milk नहीं पीती हूँ. I'm off dairy for almost a year. But आज मेरा मन किया. संडे है इसलिए चाय कभी कभी पीना चाहिए. कभी कभी पीना चाहिए. मैं पीती नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ वो खारी और टोस्ट उसमें डिप करके खाती हूँ बस. टाइम पास करते करते शाम हो गई है. But I just had my chai. I don't drink chai. Let me know in the comments if you are like that. If you don't drink chai, but if you love dipping biscuit in it. When I was a kid, I used to do that with everyone. कोई भी मेरे आसपास चाय पी रहा था, I used to go stand there with a biscuit कि please let me dip this in your chai. I still do that, but I'm off dairy, so I don't have milk. But sometimes I like to dip इधर उधर थोड़ा सा and eat it. टॉवल लेके नहाने जा ही रही थी.
मेरी दरख्वास्त है मुस्कान मैडम से कि प्लीज़ मेरे लिए मैगी बना. मम्मी नहीं है, सबसे बेस्ट मैगी तू ही बनाती है और मम्मी बनाती है. मैं तो यहाँ तो पानी ज़्यादा डाल देता हूँ या नमक बहुत कम डाल देता हूँ. सूखी नहीं बनती.
नमक खाता है.
मैं नमक खाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं वफादार हूँ.
गाइस मैगी बनाते बनाते देखो मुझे कौन लोग मिल गए.
हेलो हेलो. बहुत गर्म है, बहुत गर्म है, सच्ची बहुत गर्म है.
बहुत गर्म तो ठीक है पर अच्छी है.
हेलो गाइस, हेलो हेलो. गर्म है तो खाई थोड़ी है.
ओह पापा और मैं मैचिंग है.
पिंकी पिंकी.
और आशु से पूछे मैगी कैसी लगी.
बहुत ही बढ़िया मैगी है, जबरदस्त मैगी बनी है. ऐसी मैगी किधर नहीं मिलती, बहुत जबरदस्त.
ये मैंने इसको बोलने के लिए बोला नहीं. Finally took my shower and so my hair looks like when it's wet. I'm going to let my hair air dry. तब तक I'm going to give Lara her dinner. And जैसे ही मेरे बाल सूख जाएंगे we'll go to the studio because I like working on Sundays. If you know me, you should know that I work the most on weekends. I love working on weekends. I'm very weird like that. So yeah. ये हमारी जो डॉगी है ये बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर्ड है. ये सिर्फ हाथ से डिनर खाती है. सुबह कभी कभी खुद से खा लेती है विदाउट एक्स्ट्रा पैम्परिंग. बट डिनर ये मैडम हाथ से ही खाती है. नोजी को चिकन लग गई है. नोजी को चिकन लग गई है. यम्मी है, यम्मी है. Guys, welcome to my studio. I've come to my studio and I'm finally shifted to my camera. Whatever vlog you saw up tuck was shot on my phone because of course my camera was in the studio and I didn't have it super safe. Also it wasn't charged, so I had to charge it first. Now it's very late. I don't know if I'm going to shoot something, but I feel like I might just edit this vlog itself and get this vlog out as soon as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a face mask and and do a little Sunday self-care and then we'll move on to my hair and then we'll see अगर मेरा शूट करने का मन हुआ तो हम शूट करेंगे, अगर मेरा एडिट करने का मन हुआ तो हम एडिट करेंगे. बट आई लव वर्किंग ऑन संडेज, तो आई नो मैं काम तो करने वाली हूँ. आई डोंट नो क्या काम करने वाली हूँ बट काम तो करने वाली हूँ. Okay guys, so I've removed my mask and I've applied my moisturizer. Now I'm quickly going to move on to my hair. I'm just going to use my straightener and iron my hair. So that's it. That literally took me 3 minutes. Like I am telling you, my hair is naturally also straight, but it's because of the humidity that it becomes so big. But now you guys can see it took me 3 minutes to like iron my hair and make them manageable, and I love how they're looking right now. But I quickly want to show you that I have some gray hair. As you guys can see, my colors come down till here. So now I have some gray hair and I don't like coloring my hair. I don't like touching up on my hair. So I have an amazing product to, you know, deal with temporarily hiding your gray hair, and that is my Magic Retouch. This is amazing. This is a godsend product for me and for my mom especially. Of course she gets her touch-ups done. I don't, because I haven't ever gotten my roots colored. Okay, I have only ever like gotten highlights. I don't like coloring my roots because I believe ki even my gray hair is a part of me and I like embracing it. But sometimes when I'm filming reels or sometimes when it's a close-up video, you guys only focus on my gray hair, so I feel like that is when I need to cover it up. So that is why this comes so handy. Like this becomes so handy. It has this really thin nozzle also to only target the area that you want to target. So you basically have to shake it before you use it. Hold it 10 centimeters away from your hair and just spray it. I know you guys could see that one gray hair, now it's gone. Yeah, so now I'm pretty sure you guys can see how much gray hair I have. And now I'm just going to spray it, hold it 10 centimeters away and just apply it. So you guys saw how it's all covered, and now I'm just going to zoom out. Okay guys, so that's how I like to apply my L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. This is so convenient to use, and I like to use this on the day of my hair wash so that the result lasts for 3 days. तो आज अगर मैं वीडियो नहीं शूट कर रही हूँ, which I think mostly मैं नहीं शूट करने वाली हूँ because बहुत लेट हो गया है, and मैंने technically तो आज शूट किया है because I am vlogging. So I feel like I am not going to work today, but tomorrow when I shoot a video, I'm still going to have this in my hair and my grays are not going to be visible. This comes in 2 colors, black and brown, and I am in the shade brown. You guys can use black if that is what matches your hair, but मेरे बाल colored है इसलिए I like using brown. Also, this bottle will last you up to 25 uses, and I have 3 bottles in the house. One is with my mom, one is in my room, and one is in my studio because you never know when I want to use it. And I feel like this is a great product to have at home, just in case, because you know sometimes you can't go to the salon, especially now. So the lockdown scene has become like we never know if next week you can go to the salon or not. So this is something that I feel like everybody should have at home for emergencies. कि अगर आपको कुछ शूट करना है या अगर आपको किधर जाना है but you can't color your hair, so this is great. Plus this is a temporary fix and this does not damage your hair, so I really like it. Okay, so that's it for my magic trick on how to cover your grey hair. But now coming back to my Sunday, so it's currently 10:30 p.m. and my dad is making dessert and I haven't even had my dinner. I've had those dosas and the chai and I haven't had my dinner yet, but my dad is making dessert, so I need to go back home because he's cooking for us today and I want to show you what he's making and how he's making it. So now we're going to go back home and uske baad I'll come back here and I'll start editing this vlog. Okay guys, I've come back to my house and my dad is making dessert. I haven't even had dinner, but today I'm going to have my dessert before my dinner. What are you making?
बेटा एक अभी I haven't named it. It's just something which you can make very quickly. Very simple and basic. You can make it in 10 minutes.
What is it? आप हमको रेसिपी बताओगे?
It's just a bread, sugar, ghee, and you can add malai. You can eat rabdi.
पापा आपको और पिंक पहनना चाहिए।
Yeah.
आपको सिर्फ पिंक पहनना चाहिए। गाइस कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड पापा को बोलो कि आज से पापा सिर्फ पिंक कपड़े पहनेंगे।
Yeah.
On my demand.
Sujit Sarkar is making pink too. He should cast me.
And this is my mom, guys. The bread that looks so yummy already. What is this? Coconut.
May not look so nice, but it's really yummy. Not for the diet conscious. So it's not for me.
It's not for you.
So enjoy.
But it looks so yummy.
Please
Chalo.
enjoy and let me know how it is.
लारा को जो साइड के ड्राई फ्रूट मिल रहे हैं वो उसमें खुश है।
Lara, you want more?
हमने डिजर्ट खा लिया है।
Sorry.
Sorry.
हमको जल्दी उठना है, इसके लिए आपको लेट जागने के लिए परेशान।
मेरे घर पे सब सो जाते हैं, मैं अकेले काम कर रही होती हूँ, तो अभी मैं जाने वाली हूँ। पर
हम
अब
लोग
हमने
सुबह को 6 बजे उठते हैं।
मैं सुबह 6 बजे सोती हूँ। गुड नाइट, लव यू,
लव यू।
लव यू। अभी हम चलेंगे मेरे भाई के पास। हेलो
व्हाट्सअप लाइट चालू कर दूं? तो ब्लॉगिंग कर रही तो लाइटिंग तो जरूरी है ना। बताओ।
कुछ नहीं, मैं स्टूडियो जा रही थी तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं तुझसे आके बात कर लूँ, उससे पहले तू सो जाए।
क्या बात करनी है मुझकी? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हम ऐसा रोज बात करते हैं। तुम अपनी जिंदगी में व्यस्त रहती हो, हम अपनी जिंदगी
मुझे ना एक्चुअली आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग। मेरे हर वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट आता है आशीष भैया का नेक्स्ट वीडियो कभी आएगा।
यार अभी तो 2 वीडियो दिए लास्ट महीने। अरे क्या मैं क्या जेब में लेके थोड़ी घूमता हूँ वीडियो। आएगा आएगा, प्लानिंग चल रही है।
एक तो मैंने कमेंट देखा था कि आशीष भैया को बोलो वीडियो बनाना बंद ना करे।
मैं क्यों करूंगा भाई? तुम्हारे इरादे क्या है? मैं वीडियो
इवेंट की कंटिन्यूसली बनाते रहो।
हाँ बनाते जाऊं, फिर क्या है, पर्सनल लाइफ रहेगी नहीं, मैं बर्बाद हो जाऊंगा, फिर आशीष सड़क पे आ जाएगा, फिर वो वीडियो ही बनाते रहेगा। एक हाथ में ट्राइपॉड देखोगे, एक हाथ में फटा हुआ क्या देखोगे, वो कपड़ा ग्रीन स्क्रीन का कपड़ा देखोगे, यही देखते रहोगे तुम लोग।
नहीं एक वीडियो बनाने में हफ्ते लग जाते हैं।
नहीं बट फैंस का प्यार है। देखो आई नो आप लोग को चाहिए अनलिमिटेड वीडियो, हमको भी अनलिमिटेड वीडियो बनाने हैं, बहुत पैसा कमाना है,
बहुत मजा भी आता है वीडियो।
ये मजा अभी तूने एंड में डाला ना ताकि लोग ऐसे कमेंट नहीं करे, तो लोग तेरे पैसे के लिए काम करते हो। तो ऑफ कोर्स हमको बहुत मजा आता है बनाने में, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। गुड थिंग्स टेक टाइम।
But he's working on something genius. I can tell you that much.
Let's Muskan loved it. Let's hope you guys also love it.
हाँ, अभी तक तो it's a baby idea. अभी तक it's just a seed. But I love the idea and you
Let's
guys will
grow.
see it soon.
Hope so guys. चलो
ठीक
टेक
है?
केयर।
कल ब्रेकिंग न्यूज पे आएगा। मुस्कान चंचलानी के वीडियो में आशीष चंचलानी रिवील किया कि उनका नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगा जीनियस।
नाइस, सब कवर करेंगे न्यूज, है ना?
है ना? चलो now let's go to the studio. Good night.
Bye.
Guys, so I have been in the studio for the last 3 hours. I just realized that it's 3:45 in the morning and actually हुआ क्या, I came to the studio and I decided to edit this video थोड़ा सा, but I just realized that I have finished editing this video that you are watching right here. ये वीडियो एडिट करके मेरा हो चुका है and it's almost ready. I still have to add some music and everything, but it's almost ready. And I haven't had dinner. I just had that dessert that my dad made, which was so yummy. But that's it, guys. I think that's it. This is where I end the vlog. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. This was so random. This was actually a very highly requested video. A lot of you guys asked me to start home vlogging, and honestly, every day isn't this happening. Everybody is busy in themselves. Today everybody was home, so I decided to make a vlog. This wasn't planned. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I will definitely make more such random vlogs. And that's it. I'm really tired, so I will go home now and I will eat something and then I'll go to sleep. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Miss Meg Blush, and I'll see you super soon. Good night. Bye bye. Love you.